So friends, in this video, I'm going to show you that how can you add beneficiary in Union Bank application, which is Union Ease application. I'm going to guide you through each and every step, but before that, if you're new to the channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Let's start the video. Now, before going ahead, let me tell you one thing, that it doesn't matter if you're using an iPhone or an Android phone, the process is going to be same. First of all, open Union Ease application in your mobile phone and complete the login process. Once the application is completely started, this is the kind of basic interface you will be able to see on your mobile screen. You can check out your account over here, you can check out the balance. If you want to go to account details, you can tap on saving accounts and you can go to the next page. You get multiple options on the home page itself, but as I said, if you want to add beneficiary in this particular application, then you can directly go to payments, and in payments, if you go down, you get an option of manage pay. So you can select that particular option, and if you have already added any beneficiary or payee account, you can check it out over here. But if you want to add new payee or new beneficiary account, then you have to select add new payee option. Now on the next page, you get two options. One is within bank pay and other option is other bank pay. Now the account which you are going to add is of Union Bank only, then you can select within bank pay. But if that particular account is of some other bank like IDFC, IndusInd, HDFC or ICICI, then in that case you can select other bank pay. Now the account which I am going to add is of IDFC bank, so I have selected other bank pay option. Over here you can select the payment method, which can be IFSC or MMID. You have to enter the payee details, you have to enter the name, you have to enter nickname, that is completely optional. Over here, you can enter the account number 2 times, enter the IFSC code and then select the account type. Also, if you turn on this toggle in front of set limit, you can see it will give me an option to set a particular limit for that particular payee or beneficiary account. So you can just simply move this toggle like this and you can save the changes. Now, always make sure that the details you are entering is correct. So now you can see I have entered the account details, I have entered the name, I have entered the account number and IFSC code. If I go down, this is where you can check out the details. You can also set the limit, as I said earlier. Once everything is done, simply tap on save option. It will send an OTP on your registered number, enter the OTP and continue. Now you have to enter transaction pin. Keep in mind that transaction pin and login pin are two different things. So it is not asking for login pin or MPIN, it is asking for transaction pin. So I have entered the transaction pin. Let's tap on continue option. So now you can see payee added successfully. Payee will be active after almost 3 hours. So you cannot do transaction immediately with that beneficiary account. You need to wait for 3 hours, and after that you can start doing the transaction. If in case you want to know how that particular thing works, so this is the active account which I have already added. So you can go to account, you can tap on pay now option, you can enter the amount and you can do the transaction easily. So whenever you are doing frequent transaction with that particular account, it is always better to add them as payee account or beneficiary account, because it will save time and each and every time it will not ask you to enter the account details manually. You just have to select the account and do the transaction. So yes, this is how simple it is to add beneficiary or payee account in Union Bank application, which is Union Ease application. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will see you all in the next one. Thank you.